A property is an attribute that is computed dynamically. Suppose we need to tell each user his full name. There are numerous different approaches this could be achieved. First, we may decide to add a third instance attribute. So we can write self.fullname, which is a new instance attribute, equals self.firstname last name. Now I'm going to show you why this approach is not the best. Let's print out person1 full name. Print person1 dot full name. Let's run the program. Great, this shows the full name of the user. On the next line, let's change person1 first name. Person1 dot first name equals a new name. Let's call it Alish. Let's print the full name again after the first name has been modified. Let's run the program. As you can see, this shows the full name is not returning the correct data. The value of the first name has been modified, but it is not reflecting in the full name. Why is this happening? This is because the constructor method, which is setting the value of full name, is called once when a class is instantiated. So it is unaware of what is happening after an object is created. The second approach to get a full name is to use a method. Every time this method is called, it returns the full name based on the current first name and last name. Let's try to define a custom method to achieve this. Let's name the method getFullName. Def getFullName. The first parameter should be self, pointing to the instance. Return f strings self.firstname self.lastname. Let's remove this third attribute since we are using a method now. person1.getFullName. We are calling the method on this line. Then person1.getFullName again. Let's execute the program. The getFullName method works fine. Changes are now reflecting in the full name after the person's first name has been modified. The Pythonic solution to this problem of computing an attribute dynamically is to use property. You just need to decorate this method with @property. Let's comment out the first one. Now you need to decorate this method with @property. It would make sense to rename this method so that it resembles an attribute. Let's call it full name. We can now make use of it as an attribute. person1.fullname. Let's execute the program again to see the output works fine. Be sure to check out the upcoming lesson on object-oriented programming, where we dive deeper into getters and setters.